Here, man. I'm here to introduce you with Protocol 9, makes your AI tool monetized. Protocol 9 revolutionizes MCP tools with three things in mind that you have never heard before. It is fast. Developers can put in their REST endpoint and it spins up an MCP server. It pays, and it pays well. Developers can set a fee which users can pay per use. And the best part, it's decentralized. Users can select from a bunch of professional grade MCP tools from the marketplace. Here, we are trying to merge AI with crypto. Here, users can pay for the MCP tool calls using Sui. Data is decentralized as they are stored on the blockchain, and at the end, data storage is so cheap thanks to Walrus. As you can clearly see, or going to see, our service is beautiful, snappy, and functional. Everything you would expect from a well polished service that Protocol 9 is. It is powered by Sui, Walrus, Sweet Wallet, and Next.js. So let's take a look at your best MCP marketplace. So this is the landing page of Protocol 9. It's a pretty simple page. At the top, it's the header, then the features are listed out, and then how is this project powered by. There are basically two types of account, developer and user. Developers can add their MCP tools or endpoints, after which MCP servers will be spun up, and users can use those MCP tools and add it in anywhere, cloud, ChatGPT, VS Code, whatever they like. Let's try to log in and see what all are there. Here, we are logging with developers. As you can see, currently in the marketplace there is only one developer, and they have published three total endpoints. This is the developer, and these are the endpoints that the developer provides. You can always go ahead and add new endpoints or manage your existing endpoints. So as we were discussing, here are the endpoints provided by John Developer, and some are free, some are pay per use. So every time someone uses this particular endpoint or tool, they have to pay 0.05 Sui to John Developer. Let's see how that works. Again, we can see in the marketplace that there is three tools provided by John the developer. List to do's, get weather, get user, where get weather and get user are paid pay per tool call MCP tools. Let's try and add these to our MCP connector. For this demonstration, we are using cloud. Let's see how we can add any MCP tools provided by any developer in the marketplace. We can add any custom connector, then give it any name. I hope John won't mind. This URL is unique to each developer, so each developers get their own MCP servers and own URL using which it can be identified which tools are being used. We can add this, and then we have configured OAuth. So whichever user is using the tools, we can identify them as well through OAuth and deduct the funds that they have funded in their wallet and send them to the developer's account for the pay-per-use tools. So yeah, let's try one. And there you go, the user is authenticated. Let's open a new chat. The user has, or the developer has mainly provided these three tools: get user, get weather, and list to do's. The rest of the tools are provided by Protocol 9 to facilitate in payments and querying the balance of the user's wallet. So as we can see, out of the three tools, list to do's is free and the other two are pay per use. Let me tell the tool, and using the tool call, it will list out all the to-dos that are present. Since there are 200 to-dos in total, it won't list out each of them, but you can of course check them from the tool calls response. Now let's take a look at how the paid tools work. Let's ask the AI, I want the user details of user 1. So this is a paid tool that I had created as a developer. So every time this tool is being called, some funds from my account will be directed and sent to the developer's account using the smart contract logic. We scan Explorer, this pay for endpoint method was also called. We can take a look at the details, and we can see from my account 0.05 SWI has been deducted and sent to the developer's account. Thank you.
Got a REST API, just add your endpoints. We convert them to MCP tools, no code to write. Plug and play, it's automatic and fast. Your API becomes AI tools built to last. The MCP marketplace, where dreams come alive. First time ever, developers can monetize. Create any MCP tool, set your price per use. SUI blockchain payments, no one can refuse. Endpoint complex stored on chain decentralized. All restored, rich forever immortalized. Set your price in SUI pay per call. Smart contracts handle it all. No more free tools with no way to earn. Build what you want, your future you'll turn. The MCP marketplace, where dreams come alive. First time ever, developers can monetize. Create any MCP tool, set your price per use. SUI blockchain payments, no one can refuse. Endpoint complex stored on chain decentralized. Or restore it forever immortalized. For crypto products that are plug and play, just add endpoints will run your MCP server today. Server today.